Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm brewing my Christmas beer, the Orange Spiced Amber, and I'm gonna get my water started now so that we can hopefully mash in by 10. All right, so I've got more than 7 gallons, but we're only gonna use 7 gallons of my tap water run through a pure filter. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna insulate my claw hammer first, just so it's easy. So we're gonna start with 7 gallons or 26.5 liters of water. And I'm gonna throw in a Camden tablet to get rid of any chlorine. I'm just gonna plug this in so it can get started while I'm doing my measurements. So we're gonna do a 152 degree mash, 152.5 degree mash for 45 minutes, which is 18 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna just set my mash temp for that. Turn on the heat. Okay, so for water additions, we're gonna add 2.6 grams of calcium chloride, 1.5 grams of Epsom salt, and 4.7 grams of gypsum. All right, and now I'm just gonna throw this guy together so it can heat up. My tap water is finally below 70 degrees. It's crazy. It only took December to do it. So I'm actually setting my temp to 155, so that's gonna be our strike temp. So that's gonna be 19.5 degrees Celsius-ish. All right, so I'll meet you guys back here once we mill the grain and do our mash-in. Okay, so we're almost at our temperature, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my milling. So we're gonna use 9 pounds of 2-row, which is 4 kilograms, and 1 3/4 pound of caramel 60, which is 794 grams. So let's just get into it. So I'm gonna decrease my mill gap, basically to as fine as it'll go. All right, looks good to go. So if you can see, it's super fine. And we can mash in soon. Okay, so we are at our strike temp of 155. And I'm just going to mash right in. I'm turning down my heat to 152 or 18.3 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I'm just gonna reconnect this, turn my pump back on, and let it sit for 45 minutes. So I'll see you guys when the mash is done. Okay, our mash is done, so I'm turning off my pump. I'm gonna go ahead and raise my heat so we can get it to a boil. Unfortunately, this grain bill should not be overly heavy. All right, so I'll see you guys back here when we are boiling and we can measure our hops and do the whole shebang. Okay, so we're boiling. So I'm just going to go ahead and, well, first I'm gonna take my pre-boil gravity reading because I have not done that yet. So yeah, it's boiling, it's a pre-boil gravity reading, but you know, we've still got all the volume because it just started boiling. So we're still at 6.5 gallons. Okay, so our pre-boil gravity reading is coming out at 11. So that means it's at 1.046 right now. Our estimated pre-boil gravity was 1.047, so looking good. Okay, so I'm gonna measure out our 1.5 ounces of Cascade, which equals 42.5 grams. All right, so this is gonna go for half an hour, and then we're gonna add our only hop addition and boil it for another half hour and be done. Okay, so I'm gonna throw my hop screen in and throw in my 1.5 ounces of Cascade, which equals 42.5 grams. And I'm gonna set another timer for half an hour and then pull the hops, seal it up, and do a no chill chill. Okay, our boil is done. So I'm gonna reattach this, pull my hops, reconnect, and run some boiling wort through my pump so it can't infect anything. You know, we're doing a no chill, so that is a concern. I'm gonna wrap my kettle so nothing can get in it. Oh no, am I out? And we'll let this chill down overnight, and then tomorrow we can pitch our Safale 05 and add our extract. So we're adding orange, lemon, and some cinnamon sticks to this beer to give it an orange spice flavor. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day, so I'm gonna sanitize this. It's already sanitized, but just give it a little more. All right, so I'm gonna seal this up to get the glycol running on it. We gotta run the glycol for probably the day just to cool it down to 65. It's at about 100 right now. Okay, so our original gravity is looking like 12.5 bricks, and 12.5 bricks is 1.052. Our goal was 1.051, so we hit it pretty well. Man, I feel like my efficiency is just getting more and more consistent, and it is a really great feeling. All right, so I'll see you guys tonight when we add the extracts and the yeast. So it's time to add our orange and lemon extract. I got these from Olive Nation, and according to the tests, it's gonna be really good, so I'm excited. Okay, so this is now down to 65 degrees, so we can add our extracts and yeast. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 160 milliliters of orange extract. That's so much. It's gonna be very orangey. 32 milliliters of lemon extract. So I'm just gonna call it an even 30. All right, so I'm just gonna open the lid, toss it in. I'm gonna toss in my 8 cinnamon sticks. Sure. And my Safale 05. Okay, so this will definitely be ready by Christmas. It is early December now. I'm gonna try to get this video out to you guys so you can make it for your Christmas. And thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I've got a Patreon going. You can get ad-free videos, merch, happy hour, bonus content, shout outs, all the things above I want to thank my newest patron, Rodney Washington, and my newest member, Randy Coster. Thanks so much for your support. I don't know how I ended up not having a ton of mistakes in this brew day, but there's not a ton of bloopers to be had, so enjoy. And 1 3/4 ounce, 1 3/4 and 1 3/4 pound of caramel 60.